Narrator commonest tone. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. Yet, we've explored less than 5% of it. What lies beneath those dark, crushing depths remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Tonight, we dive deep into the unknown. These are 30 scary things found underwater. 1. The Yonaguni Monument, Japan. Discovered off the coast of Japan, this massive underwater rock formation resembles a man-made pyramid. Some say it's proof of an ancient lost civilization. Others insist it's just nature playing tricks. Either way, its silent stairways and terraces feel hauntingly human. 2. The Baltic Sea anomaly in 2011, sonar scans revealed a strange disc-shaped object resting on the seafloor. It looks eerily like a crashed spaceship. Divers reported strange electrical interference nearby, and some even claimed their equipment shut down. 3. Ghost Fleet of Chuuk Lagoon. During World War II, dozens of Japanese ships were sunk here. Now their rusted hulls rest silently beneath the waves, still filled with gas masks, ammunition, and the remains of those who never escaped. 4. The Bimini Road. In the Bahamas lies a stretch of stone blocks that appear perfectly aligned, as if they were a paved highway. Some believe it's part of the lost city of Atlantis. 5. The Titanic, at nearly 13,000 feet below the surface. The RMS Titanic lies eerily preserved in the freezing dark. Its ghostly corridors and broken chandeliers tell a tragic story frozen in time. 6. A human skeleton, minus 6,000 feet deep. Off the coast of Greece, divers stumbled upon a human skeleton far below any diving limit. Who it was and how it got there remains unsolved. 7. The underwater river cenote, Angelita. Mexico. Beneath the surface of this flooded cave flows a river made of hydrogen sulfide, dense enough to look like real water within water. Divers describe it as descending into a dream or a nightmare. 8. The Sea of Galilee structure, a mysterious stone mound twice the size of Stonehenge, lies under the Sea of Galilee. Its purpose, unknown. Its origin, a mystery. 9. Submerged statues. The Underwater Sculpture Park, Grenada. Hundreds of human sculptures rest silently on the seabed. At first glance, it's art, but swimming among them feels like drifting through a drowned city of souls. 10. The ancient city of Heraklion, once a thriving Egyptian port, Heraklion vanished 1,200 years ago. Rediscovered underwater, its statues and temples still stand eerily intact, as if waiting for their people to return. 11. The Great Blue Hole, Belize. A near-perfect circle of dark water plunges over 400 feet deep. Divers report a suffocating silence, and shapes moving where light cannot reach. 12. The underwater crop circles of Japan, at first thought to be alien messages. These intricate sand patterns are made by male pufferfish to attract mates. Beautiful, but strangely hypnotic and unsettling in the deep silence. 13. The USS Thistlegorm, Red Sea, a World War II cargo ship filled with motorcycles, rifles and boots, still stands beneath the waves. Some divers swear they hear metallic echoes and distant footsteps. 14. The Lake Michigan Stonehenge sonar scans revealed a ring of stones beneath Lake Michigan, one of which appears to depict a carving of a mastodon that would date it back over 10,000 years. 15. The lost village of Kalyasin, Russia. A 200-foot bell tower rises from the middle of a lake, the only visible remnant of a town flooded by the Soviets. Beneath the surface lie homes, roads, and memories of a forgotten place. 16. The underwater prison of Ramu, Estonia, once a brutal labor camp. This prison was flooded after it was abandoned. Now, its concrete walls loom eerily beneath clear blue waters, a ghostly monument to suffering. 17. A 17th-century Black Plague ship. Divers in the Baltic found a ship sealed with quarantine symbols. The crew likely dead before it ever sank. Inside were sealed bottles, untouched cargo, and silence. 18. The Lake Natron Mummies, Tanzania. This lake isn't underwater in the traditional sense, but its water is so alkaline that it petrifies animals into stone-like statues. Even birds that touch it become eerie sculptures of themselves. 19. The Gulf of Mexico brine pools. Imagine diving down and finding another lake at the bottom of the ocean, too salty to mix with seawater. Anything that enters it never leaves. 20. The underwater crop circles of the Mediterranean perfect spirals etched into the seafloor, source unknown. No currents, no marine life caused them. To this day, they're unexplained,